If you thought Apple was done innovating, think again, because the leaks coming straight out of the supply chain for the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max are changing everything we thought we knew about smartphones. For months, insiders have whispered about a device that isn't just an incremental upgrade, but a massive generational leap. If you are planning to upgrade your phone this year, you need to pay close attention to what Apple is building behind closed doors right now. We are looking at a complete redesign of core hardware, camera mechanics that rival professional cinema rigs, and battery capacities that completely shatter previous limits. Let's start with the most striking change, which is happening right on the outside. Apple is not resting on its laurels after the previous generation. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature a stunning 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR display, but the real magic is in the margins. Industry reports indicate that Apple has successfully shrunk the dynamic island by up to 35%, thanks to advanced under-display Face ID sensor integration. When you look at the front of this phone, it feels noticeably more immersive, pushing closer to that true all-screen futuristic dream than any device before it. And speaking of aesthetics, Apple is introducing a breathtaking new deep red, or dark cherry, color option alongside the classic silver, gray, and light blue finishes. However, this extra screen real estate and power come with a physical trade-off. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to be slightly thicker, coming in at around 9mm, and tipping the scales at 240 grams. Why the extra heft? It is entirely due to the monumental internal components and massive power cell packed inside that frame. Underneath the gorgeous glass exterior lies the beating heart of the device, the Apple A20 Pro chip. This isn't just a faster processor, it is a technological milestone. Built on TSMC's groundbreaking 2nm manufacturing process, the A20 Pro represents a massive jump in transistor density. We are talking about a chip that delivers up to 15% faster processing speeds while slashing energy consumption by nearly 30% compared to last year's hardware. But Apple didn't stop there. Leaks confirm that Apple is utilizing advanced wafer-level multi-chip module packaging. This means the staggering 12GB of high-speed RAM is being placed directly on the same wafer as the CPU, GPU, and neural engine. By eliminating the physical distance between memory and processing units, data transfer bottlenecks are virtually eliminated. Whether you are rendering complex 4K video timelines on the go or pushing mobile gaming graphics to absolute console-tier limits, the A20 Pro handles it without breaking a sweat or throttling under heat. Now, let's talk about the absolute crown jewel of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the camera system. Bloomberg and major supply chain analysts have called this the biggest camera hardware upgrade in iPhone history, and for good reason. For the first time ever, Apple is introducing a true variable aperture main camera lens. Up until now, smartphones have relied entirely on fixed apertures and software algorithms to fake depth of field and manage low light. The iPhone 18 Pro Max changes the game by using a physical mechanical system that adjusts how much light enters the 48-megapixel main sensor. Imagine capturing crisp, naturally blurred backgrounds in portrait mode that aren't created by a software portrait filter, but by authentic optical depth. Imagine shooting brilliant, crystal clear video in harsh midday sunlight or pitch black environments without the sensor blowing out highlights or drowning in digital noise. Paired with a newly optimized 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens offering incredible optical zoom and a 3-layer stack sensor design developed with Samsung, this phone transforms from a pocket communicator into a legitimate, professional-grade filmmaking tool. Connectivity and autonomy are receiving an equally massive overhaul. Apple is continuing its aggressive push toward complete hardware independence by rolling out its second-generation C2 custom modem. This new silicon goes far beyond standard cellular connectivity, bringing next-generation mmWave 5G performance and advanced satellite communication capabilities directly to the device. Rumors indicate that Apple is opening up satellite connectivity so that third-party apps, maps, and high-resolution photo sharing can function seamlessly even when you are miles off the grid with 0 cell towers in sight. Combined with an upgraded Wi-Fi chip for lightning-fast airdrop and hotspot stability, you will literally never lose connection. And then, there is the battery life, an area where the Pro Max has always dominated, but is now stepping into entirely uncharted territory. Thanks to that slight increase in chassis thickness, Apple has crammed a colossal 5,567 mAh battery into the US variant of the iPhone 18 Pro Max, factor in the hyper-efficient architecture of the 2nm A20 Pro chip and the power-sipping LTPO display technology, and you are looking at a smartphone that easily pushes into a true 2-day heavy-use lifecycle on a single charge. Fast charging has also been optimized, supporting up to 25-watt wireless MagSafe and Qi 2 speeds that juice your phone back up to 50% in just 20 minutes.